Today, we'll introduce you to 7 powerful squat variations that will transform your lower body. Each one offers unique benefits, from building muscle strength to enhancing joint mobility. Number 1. Traditional squat. The traditional squat is the foundation of an effective workout, serving as the solid base for building strength and endurance in your lower body. It directly targets the muscles of the legs and glutes, creating a powerful foundation for your physical progress. However, its effectiveness lies in proper execution. It's not just about lowering and rising. Maintaining proper posture is key. Visualize a straight line from your shoulders to your hips and knees, ensuring proper alignment to prevent injury and maximize muscle activation. To intensify the exercise, you can add weight, such as a dumbbell or kettlebell, which increases resistance and further engages your core. If you're just starting or struggling with balance, using a chair for support can be a great solution. Sit down lightly and return to the starting position, gradually building confidence until you no longer need the support. Practicing in front of a mirror is also an excellent way to correct your posture and perfect your technique. These details not only make the exercise safer, but also ensure more noticeable results. Even though simple, the traditional squat, when performed correctly, is extremely effective at strengthening and sculpting your legs and glutes, providing lasting benefits to your training routine. Number 2. Goblet squat. The goblet squat adds a unique dynamic to your workout, targeting not only the legs and glutes, but also strengthening the core and stabilizing the lower back. For this variation, hold a weight, such as a dumbbell or kettlebell, close to your chest, keeping it firm and centered. This position, with the weight shifted forward, engages the stabilizing muscles of the torso, ensuring proper posture and complete control during the movement. It's like replicating everyday moments when you need to lift or hold something heavy, but with technique and focus. In addition to building strength, this exercise is excellent for improving joint mobility, especially in the hips and ankles. To optimize your execution, keep the weight close to your chest and align your elbows with your knees as you descend. This helps maintain a stable center of gravity and prevents imbalances, turning each rep into a true test of endurance and coordination. And the best part? The goblet squat is adaptable. If you don't have access to equipment, a backpack filled with books or other items can serve as a substitute for the weight. With this approach, the goblet squat becomes a comprehensive, challenging, and highly effective exercise for strengthening the lower body while enhancing balance and stability. Number 3. Bulgarian split squat. The Bulgarian split squat is a unilateral exercise that raises the difficulty level, requiring the muscles to work in perfect harmony. With one leg positioned behind the body on an elevated surface, it not only targets the quadriceps and glutes, but also engages stabilizing muscles that are often underutilized in other squat variations. The feeling of balance in this challenging position is like preparing your legs to become pillars of strength and stability. For beginners, it's ideal to use a chair or bench for support, positioning the back leg on it. Start with little or no weight, focusing on form and proper execution. As you gain confidence, you can increase the weight or the number of reps to intensify the exercise. One important tip is to avoid letting your knees pass the line of your toes during the movement. With attention to technique and practice, you'll be able to align your knees properly, maintain an upright posture, and prevent injuries. The Bulgarian split squat also promotes flexibility and range of motion, essential elements for improving endurance and functional mobility. Each repetition helps shape a strong, balanced body, ready for both everyday challenges and sports. Number 4. Cossack squat. The Cossack squat is a unique variation that intensely challenges lateral movement, balance, and mobility. This exercise broadens the scope of leg training by focusing on flexibility and joint mobility while testing your agility and control. In the Cossack squat, the movement occurs laterally. You shift to one side, keeping one leg extended and the other bent, as if rehearsing an elegant dance step. This motion intensely activates the inner thigh muscles, glutes, and stabilizers, promoting functional strength that directly impacts everyday activities. To perform the movement correctly, keep your torso upright and your feet firmly planted on the ground, avoiding the lifting of your heels. As you lower yourself, take a deep breath and focus on the smoothness of the lateral shift, as if you were gliding along a continuous plane. Incorporating the Cossack squat into your routine will result in significant mobility gains and an increased ease for lateral movements. Moreover, it strengthens not only the front of your legs but also the inner muscles and stabilizers, ensuring a well-rounded and functional development. Number 5. Pistol squat. The pistol squat is a true test of strength, balance, and body control. This unilateral movement requires you to descend into a deep squat on a single leg, while the other leg remains extended in front. This combination of stability and strength intensely activates the muscles in your legs, glutes, and core, making it one of the most challenging and comprehensive exercises for the lower body. For beginners, it's recommended to start with adaptations. Use a support, such as a chair or wall, to help with balance while practicing the movement. Technique is key. Maintain an upright torso and keep your knees aligned, avoiding them extending past your toes during the descent. With time and practice, you'll build strength and stability, gradually progressing to complete the pistol squat with control and confidence. The benefits go beyond leg strength. This variation improves coordination and positively impacts other types of squats, solidifying your overall ability and power in your training. Number 6. Sumo squat. The sumo squat is a powerful and versatile variation that strengthens the legs and glutes while maintaining joint health, particularly the knees. With your feet positioned wider than shoulder width apart and your toes slightly pointed outward, you create a stable base that allows for deeper and more controlled movements. This stance intensely activates the inner thigh muscles and effectively strengthens the glutes, promoting balanced development of the lower body. During the execution, it is essential to maintain an upright torso and keep your spine well aligned. As you descend, move your knees in the direction of your toes, ensuring they do not extend past the line of your toes, which protects the joints and maximizes performance. For beginners, starting with a light weight or just body weight helps master the technique. As your confidence and strength increase, you can add more load, always prioritizing correct form. In addition to building muscle strength, the sumo squat improves flexibility and joint mobility, benefits that make daily tasks easier and help prevent injuries. Incorporating this variation into your workout is an effective way to develop a balanced and functional physique. Number 7. Wall sit squat. The wall sit squat is an often underestimated isometric exercise, but extremely effective for strengthening the leg and glute muscles. By leaning against a wall and holding a squat position, you not only intensely activate the quadriceps and glutes, but also impressively increase muscular endurance. One of the great advantages of this exercise is its simplicity. It requires no equipment and can be performed anywhere, making it an excellent choice for home workouts. Imagine being seated in the air, challenging your muscles to support your body weight. This feeling is a true test of strength and control. To begin, choose a clear wall and position your feet about 12 inches away from it. Lower your body until your legs form a 90-degree angle, as if sitting in an invisible chair. Posture is crucial. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your back straight, and your knees aligned with your feet. A practical tip is to time how long you can hold the position and progressively aim to increase that time. This gradual approach not only strengthens the legs but also improves your overall endurance, preparing your body for greater challenges. The wall sit squat is an excellent addition to any workout routine, helping to build a solid foundation and elevate your performance in future exercises. Now that you've learned various squat variations, it's time to organize them into an effective plan that maximizes your results and amplifies your progress. Number 8. Weekly training structure. A well-planned training structure can optimize your results, ensuring that all the muscles in your legs and glutes are worked in a balanced way. An effective suggestion is to train twice a week, such as on Mondays and Thursdays. This allows your muscles to recover and adapt properly between sessions. During these sessions, vary the types of squats explored earlier to provide diverse stimuli and avoid monotony. Here's how to structure each session. Session 1. Traditional squat. 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Goblet squat. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Bulgarian split squat. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Sumo squat. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Wall sit squat. 2 to 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds of isometric hold. Session 2. Sumo squat. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Cossack squat. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per side. Pistol squat. 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps per leg. Start with adaptations if necessary. Traditional squat. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Wall sit squat. 3 sets, gradually increasing the isometric hold time with each workout. Progress tips. Always prioritize correct form to avoid injury and ensure maximum efficiency. As weeks progress, gradually increase the load, weight, or the number of reps as your strength and confidence grow. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you experience unusual pain, adjust the intensity or reduce the volume. With this routine, you'll not only strengthen your legs and glutes, but also develop confidence, balance, and determination to reach new goals. Progress will be reflected not only in your physique, but also in the satisfaction of overcoming challenges and continuously evolving.